Meaning of gangrene.
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 Gangrene. Gangrene is a medical condition that occurs when body tissue dies due to a lack of blood flow, or as a result of bacterial infection. The affected tissue typically becomes dark and dry, and may emit an unpleasant odor. Depending on the severity of the gangrene, it can result in pain, swelling, and fever. In some cases, gangrene may require amputation of the affected limb or organ to prevent the spread of infection. Prompt treatment, such as antibiotics or surgical intervention, is necessary to prevent further damage and potential complications.